Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Pendleton again. I'm here with a weekend video I'm uploading to my YouTube teaching channel. I'm at my parents' house right now, visiting with my family and trying to stay safe and healthy. And I was just bored, and Malaya and I were looking for something to do inside the house, and I just happened to go through some old drawers that my mom has here underneath her coffee table in the living room. Oh, sorry. And I came across these double 6 dominoes. You also might have a little set of dominoes at home. They don't have to be these exact kind, double 6 dominoes, but you might come across dominoes as part of a game that you had, or you could even make your own out of pieces of paper. You could use index cards to draw and make your own, or if you find some lying around your house, you can use them to do lots and lots of different things. You can build with dominoes, and of course, I'm going to show you how you can do some math with dominoes. Okay, dominoes are great for adding, for constructing math problems like your addition facts. You can use them to tell number stories. You can use dominoes in lots of different ways. There's tons of games such as Domino Top It, or you could make domino chains, I call them, or domino chain trains. And I'm going to show you some of these strategies in this video and in a few additional videos after this one. So the first introductory lesson to how to use dominoes for math goes like this. Okay, you can start out with all of your dominoes face down, which means that you can't see what's on them, kind of like when we play Top It. And you could just turn over your dominoes one at a time. Oh, that's an easy one. Look at this domino. How many dots do I have on the top? 0, right? There's nothing there. It's blank. What about the bottom? 0 again. Okay, so you could turn this into an addition fact. What is 0 plus 0, boys and girls? If you said 0, kiss your brain. You are correct. Okay, 0 plus 0 is 0. You could also turn your dominoes sideways like this, and you could read the math problem like this. 0 dots plus 0 dots equals 0. So the sum, or the total of this domino, is 0. That one's easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's do the next one. Okay, we'll start off doing it up and down. Oh. This domino has how many dots on the top? 1. Very good. How many dots on the bottom? 1 again. So to find the sum of this domino, you would add 1 plus 1, and your sum is, if you said 2, give yourself a pat on the back. Excellent work. If you choose to turn the domino sideways like this, you would read it from left to right, just like you do with a regular addition fact. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the sum, or the total number of dots on this domino, is 2. You're doing a great job with this, boys and girls. I think we should try one more together. Okay, I gave you a minute to count out the dots on the top and on the bottom. On the top, we have 4 dots. Plus, on the bottom, there's 4 more. So what is 4 plus 4? If you said 8, very nice. You get a thumbs up. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Notice a pattern so far with these dominoes. We had 0 plus 0, 1 plus 1, and 4 plus 4. Do you remember what type of math facts these are? If you answered doubles fact, you would be correct. These are doubles facts, where you're adding the same number twice. If you want to make this even more math-like and even more fun or challenging, you could write an addition fact to match the domino. So for this one, of course, it's pretty much blank. You would have 0 dots plus 0 dots. Then you would write your equal sign, which means is, and then the total, which is called the sum. 0 plus 0 is what, boys and girls? 0. Very good. 0 is called your sum, and it's spelled like this, S-U-M, which means the total or the answer in an addition math problem. Let's write another one for this sideways domino. 1 plus, the other side is also 1, equal sign. What is 1 plus 1? If you're not sure, look back and count. The sum of 1 plus 1 is 2. Kiss your brain again. The last one, I have this domino turned up and down like my face down dominoes. So let's write this math problem up and down too. So I'm going to take the total number of dots on the top of the domino, which is 4, plus the numbers at the bottom, or the dots at the bottom. Another 4, excellent. And the answer, or the sum of 4 plus 4 is 8. Notice when you write your addition facts up and down, boys and girls, we write the plus, or if you're doing subtraction, it would be the minus sign over here. And instead of an equal sign, you have a straight line going across or horizontally instead of an equal sign. And then the answer just goes under that line. This might look familiar to you when we do our 8-minute timed math facts test. This is how the problems are set up and down like this. It doesn't change anything about the numbers you're adding. They still match the dots on the domino. It doesn't change anything about the sum. It's just set up a different way. Here's what 4 plus 4 looks like. Oops, sorry, pen's running out of ink. Here's what 4 plus 4 equals 8 would look like sideways. 4 plus sign 4 equal sign and the sum, 8. Okay, so 2 ways to show the exact same math problem by writing it, and a third way to show the math problem using dots and a domino. Okay, so dominoes are great ways to practice your addition facts. If you didn't have pen, pencils, paper, but you had dominoes, there you go. You can still do math that way. Okay, stay tuned for more videos with more ways that you can have fun and use dominoes to practice math. Stay tuned. Thank you for listening. I miss you all. Air hugs.